Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. On today's video, I'm going to show you how two PLCs share data between each other by using Bsend and Brcv. As you see on the diagram, the two PLCs are here connected by Profinet, and we have to do S7 connection also. And as you see, one PLC use those instructions to send Bsend and to receive the other one Brcv. Then from PLC2 we can also send data to PLC1 by using Bsend, and on the other side we can use Brcv. Okay, so I will going to show you this on this video. Okay, let's go to Schematic Manager and create new project. Okay, PLC to PLC communication using Bsend and Brcv. Brcv. Okay, so let's insert our PLCs. Let's say PLC station 300, PLC 1, and let's also add one PLC again, PLC 2. Okay, great. Let's do the hardware configuration first for PLC 1. Okay, we can insert our CPU. Sorry, again, 300 station first. Let's insert our rack first, and let's insert our CPU. My CPU is 317 to DP, PN and DP, and this one. Okay, let's create network. Let's say this one 10, Ethernet 1. Okay, let's alright. Okay, so I have done for my PLC 1. Save and compile, and let's do for PLC 2. My PLC 2 is okay. Let me search first again here. This one is my PLC IO module including a PLC. So let me search that one. Okay, so it's taking time to search. Okay, this one. Okay, let's make it this one 20 on the same network. We can also add some IOs. Sorry. Okay, my first one is the power module PM. Okay, let me add. Okay, let me add this one. And second, we can add digital output. Sorry, digital output standard 24 volt. Standard 24 volt. And also we can add input, digital input, standard. Okay, done. So I have done for also for PLC2. Okay, let's do on the configuration manager for the network. Okay, it's opening. Great. Okay, so we can create S7 connection here. You see, this is S7. Okay, So apply. Everything is okay. The IP for the peer is also the same. Okay, great. I'm done the hardware configuration. Save it. Ah, sorry, I added one here, so I have to remove this one. I created two connections. It's only necessary one. One is enough. Okay. So now everything is done. So let's create two DPs to receive and send data. So for PLC1 also, and for the other two, for the PLC2 also, we have to create two DPs to send one DB for sending, the second DB for receiving. So to save time, let me write first. Then okay, so I'm done creating the DBs for the two PLC. So for PLC1, I created DB100 for sending data and DB101 to receive data from the other PLC. So let's see the DB100. So okay, as you see, data one, there are 10 arrays, integer, and there are also 32 boolean bools. So I have already parameterized for each one. Let's see the data. So as you see, I have parameterized DB100. So as you see, for the integers, 10 integers values here, and for the booleans also true false here is 4. Okay. Okay, for let's see the DB100 one also. Okay, I have created here three datas, one boolean and 10 integers, 64 in boolean bool, and 10 in integer and 10 reals. So to receive from PLC2, it's not parameterized. The data will be received from, as you see, from the second PLC. So this is empty. Okay. For PLC2 also, DB200 for sending and DB201 for receiving. So I have created here for sending, this data link must be equal to the receiving of DB101 for PLC1. So I've created here 64 bools, 10 integer, and 10 real, and it is also parameterized. Okay, let's see. So it's parameterized as boolean as true, true, false, and also for the integer, they go the values, and the real also have the values. So this value must be go to the PLC1 DB101. For DB201 for receiving from PLC1, so it's empty, and the data link is also the same with DB PLC1 DB100 from PLC1. So as you see, 10 integers and 32 boolean, the same as DB100 on PLC1. Okay, when we see it's not parameterized. Okay, sorry, it's getting the data. This must be 0. Okay, sorry, I have to parameterize 0, then I have to get the data from PLC1. Okay, great. We have almost there. So let's create our program now. Let's create our program on OB1. Okay, open. So on my first one, I have to move the links of the data because Bsend and Brcv needs data links. So I have to move. I have to send 24 the length must be 24 and the memory word 2, and so I will receive 24 bytes from the PLC 1, send 24 bytes and receive. So my length for receiving must be 65. This is the value from DB, memory word 8. Let me make it clear. These are the lengths. So when we see this one, the length is around, you see, 23, from 0 to 23. That means the length is 24. That's why I move that one, this one. And for DB100, it's also the same, 65. When we open, the length is 65. Okay. The second network, we have to send the data to the PLC. Send data to PLC 2. Okay. That means to send, my function must be Brcv is system function block 12. So this, let's say BB, let's create 5. We can give it 5. Yes. Okay. Sorry, I forget one thing. I didn't activate the clock memory, and this is going to be my connection. Okay. Also for the down one is the same, but this one is double. Okay. So I am going to send my data DB100 dot starting DB x00 bytes of 24 bytes are going to be sent. The length is this one, 24. Okay, for this one we can the error codes for, we can make it memory 10 0, memory 10.1, and memory word 2 for the status. Okay, let's add for receiving. Receive data from PLC 2. Okay, here we have to add system function block 30 is Brcv, and let's create the DB will be the instant DB 6. I have already used 5. So okay, for enabling receiving, I will use the memory clock. I will activate that one. Okay. Table. So I will receive on my DB101 dot DBX starting from 00 bytes 65. I will receive 65 bytes. So the length will be this one, 65. Memory word 8. This one. Memory word 12. Sorry, there is 8. Sorry. I think 8. Yes, memory word 8. So 8. Let me make this one 40 0, memory 40.1, memory word 60. Okay, I'm done on PLC 1. Only I didn't activate the clock memory. So let me enable the clock memory for my PLC. Then I will go to the PLC2. Okay, clock memory, this one. This must be enabled. So the address is 0. So I use it 0.5. Okay, I'm done on my PLC1 and I will do on also my PLC2. Okay, let's move my data links to use later. More word. Okay, let's make this 124 for receiving, and word memory word 6 going to use it, and here 65 for sending, that is memory word 8. We can use 8. Okay, so let's add one block. Receive data from PLC 1. So I am going to receive. To receive, I have to use system function clock 30. That is the receive. Let's create DB5, and this one memory for 5, the clock memory, and this is the connection. Okay, copy and paste and edit it one. So I will receive on my DB201. DB201 okay, starting from 0 bytes 24. So I'm going to receive 24 bytes. Okay, the length will be memory bit 6, memory word 6, this one, and we can use here memory 10.10, memory 10, memory 1, and memory word 12. So I have done for receiving. Let's do for sending. Send data to PLC1. Okay, great. So the system function for sending is Bsend is 12. So I can do this one DB6 again. The request is memory weight 5. Okay, the connection. Actually, I will send my DB 400.dbx 0 bytes 65. Sorry. Okay, here my mistake. Okay, memory word X. The length will be memory word X. This one. Okay. Let us do this one. Memory bit 14.0. Memory 14.1. Memory word 60. Okay. Done. I have done, almost done. I didn't activate clock memory on my PLC2, so I have to do that one. Sorry, think time is going. Okay. Where is the clock memory? This one. Okay, 0. Address is 0. So I have already used memory clock 0.5. Okay, done. Now let's download our program to our PLC. I've already connected on my PLC. So I have downloaded my program. Is Let's confirm again if it is downloaded. Okay. Okay, let's do the other PLC again. Okay. Now everything is loaded. When we check, so let's check our DB 101 for PLC 1. Does I get the data from PLC 1 or not? Okay. Let's monitor. Okay, as you see, the value are updated from PLC 2. So I'm getting the data from my PLC 2 on my PLC 1. Okay, great. So the program is working. So let's see also for PLC 2. So my DB 200 must also receive data from PLC 1. So let's check that one. Let's check online. So I'm getting the data from my PLC 2 also. So my program is working, everything is working good. So thank you. Have a nice time. Until the next video. I'm done here.